Welcome to Beyond Top Ranks. If you're fascinated by the wonders of the world, you've come to the right place. Our planet is full of mind-blowing natural phenomena that defy logic and challenge our understanding of science. From glowing waves to endless thunderstorms, these incredible sights will make you question reality. Get ready to explore some of the most unbelievable natural events on Earth. 1. The eternal storm of Catatumbo, Venezuela. Imagine a place where lightning never stops flashing. In Venezuela, over the Catatumbo River, there's a mysterious storm that produces nearly 260 stormy nights a year. This phenomenon, known as Catatumbo lightning, is the result of unique atmospheric conditions that generate constant electrical activity. The sky lights up with thousands of lightning bolts, creating a mesmerizing show that can be seen from miles away. Scientists believe this is the world's most intense lightning storm, and it plays a crucial role in producing ozone for our atmosphere. 2. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley, USA. Deep in Death Valley, California, massive rocks weighing hundreds of pounds mysteriously move across the desert floor. These sailing stones leave long tracks behind them, but no one has ever seen them move. For decades, this baffled scientists and sparked countless theories, including magnetic forces, aliens, and even supernatural explanations. However, recent research suggests that during winter nights, a thin layer of ice forms on the ground. When the ice melts under the sun, strong winds push the stones forward. Even though the mystery has been solved, watching these giant rocks drift across the desert is still an unbelievable sight. 3. The glowing waters of Mosquito Bay, Puerto Rico. At first glance, Mosquito Bay on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico looks like any other body of water. But dip your hand in, and suddenly, the water glows bright blue. This is due to bioluminescent plankton, tiny organisms that light up when disturbed. On a moonless night, the entire bay shimmers like something out of a fantasy movie. This bay holds the Guinness World Record for the brightest bioluminescent bay in the world. And it's a must-see for anyone looking for a magical experience. 4. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Deep in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, there's a crater that has been burning for over 50 years. This fiery pit, known as the Door to Hell, was created in 1971 when Soviet scientists were drilling for natural gas. The ground collapsed, forming a massive crater. To prevent the spread of deadly methane gas, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out within days. Instead, it has been blazing ever since. The glowing flames and the intense heat make it look like an entrance to another world. 5. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, is home to a bizarre waterfall that looks like it's bleeding. Blood Falls, located in Taylor Glacier, is a bright red stream of iron-rich water that flows from the ice. The eerie red color comes from ancient microbes living in an underground lake beneath the glacier. These microorganisms have survived in total darkness for millions of years, feeding on iron and sulfur. This rare sight is a glimpse into what life might be like on other planets with extreme conditions. 6. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. In Northern Ireland, a coastline covered in nearly 40,000 interlocking hexagonal stone columns looks almost too perfect to be real. This natural wonder, called the Giant's Causeway, was formed by volcanic activity around 50 to 60 million years ago. According to legend, an Irish giant named Finn McCool built the causeway to cross the sea to Scotland and fight his rival. While science tells a different story, the perfectly shaped columns still leave visitors in awe. 7. The Underwater Waterfall, Mauritius. Off the coast of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean, there appears to be a massive underwater waterfall. However, this is actually an optical illusion. The waterfall is created by sand and silt being pushed by ocean currents over the edge of an underwater plateau. The result is a breathtaking visual effect that makes it look like the ocean is falling into an abyss. It's best seen from above, making it one of the most spectacular aerial views on the planet. 8. The Spotted Lake, Canada. Near Ossoyu's, British Columbia, there's a lake that looks like a giant polka dot painting. Spotted Lake is rich in minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and sodium sulfate. During the summer, most of the water evaporates, leaving behind hundreds of circular mineral deposits. The lake has been considered sacred by indigenous peoples for centuries who believe it has healing properties. Its unique appearance makes it one of the most visually striking lakes in the world. 9. The Wave, Arizona, USA. Hidden in the desert of Arizona, the Wave is a surreal rock formation that looks like a frozen ocean. Its smooth, swirling patterns were created by millions of years of wind and water erosion. The vibrant reds and oranges make it one of the most photographed places in the world. However, visiting this natural wonder is not easy only. A limited number of people are allowed to enter each day to preserve its delicate beauty. 10. The Fire Rainbow Worldwide. One of the rarest and most stunning sky phenomena is the fire rainbow, also known as a circumhorizontal arc. Unlike traditional rainbows, this fiery spectacle occurs when sunlight passes through high-altitude ice crystals in cirrus clouds. The result? A dazzling display of rainbow-colored flames streaking across the sky. It only happens under very specific conditions, making it a once-in-a-lifetime experience for those lucky enough to witness it. These unbelievable natural phenomena prove that our planet is full of surprises. From glowing waters to eternal storms, nature continues to amaze us with its beauty and mystery. Which one of these would you love to see in person? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Top Ranks for more mind-blowing discoveries from around the world. Stay tuned for our next adventure.